Well, there he is, Cooper Webb, back on the bike and brand that started it all. Obviously, he started his career on Yamaha, then went over to KTM, won a couple championships, and now he is back. Obviously, the last couple years, he hasn't been very happy with the KTM frame or whatever. It just hasn't felt very good. And hopefully, let's just say that this 450 part of his career, at least the part right now with Yamaha, better than 2018 and 2017 seasons, where he had 43 starts, 0 championships, 0 wins, and 2 podiums. It wasn't a very good time for him. But since then, obviously, 2017-18, or 6 years later, he's gotten the titles under his belt, he's gotten the experience under his belt, and I hope he does well. Obviously, this move brings him, Justin Cooper, and Eli Tomac all onto one team for at least for Supercross. I don't know what Cooper's or what Webb's deal is for motocross, but it's going to be a incredible team. I mean, big money, lots of expectations, and hopefully a championship or 2 out of them, depending on what seasons they run. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do in the SMX playoffs? How well is he going to do in Supercross this year, Supercross next year, and MX next year if he ends up racing those series? And whatever it is, just comment down below. Tell me what you think. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.